last turn, it was like you were like all leaned over. I was like, this is a perfect shot. And I wanted to get you on the bridge doing a wheelie too.
Wheelie on the bridge.
Want to try this out? How do I know what mode I'm in? This?
Yeah, B mode right here.
Oh, okay. I'll leave it in B mode.
I ride in B mode all the time.
All right, guys.
I know. I'm on a 14 FZ09. And my buddy is on my Z1000. He's got a shorty stunt clutch lever. Oh man, this bike is nice. First ride. I can feel the power difference from 1000 to this. Not by much, but the torque on that thing, man.
Huge difference in torque.
Huh?
Huge difference in torque. Like,
Yeah. Look at him already wheeling my bike.
Hasn't even been on it for more than like 30 seconds. Man, this bike is smooth. Pretty comfortable. I like the seat. I feel like I'm on a dirt bike, but I got a whole shitload of power beneath my legs, or between my legs. Ah, cup. Boom, got it. Feels good. No gear indicator. Yeah, no gear indicator on that thing. Oh my god, it sounds so nice. This M4 pipe on it.
No. That's what sucks. I gotta get an aftermarket one.
Oh my god, dude. It's so nice seeing my bike up on one wheel. What the fuck, bro? Oh, this bike is so predictable. Like I don't know. It's like it's got. I know where I'm going. I know how much power I'm giving it. Let's not go crazy here. I'm in third gear. Holy shit! It's nice to be able to look down and know what gear you're in. It's a lot of work being a cameraman, especially for my boy over here. Look at that.
I'm like, oh my god, it's on one wheel.
Ah! 10 points. 10,000 points for knocking a biker off his bicycle. I think he's got like 30,000 points for doing wheelies over here. Oh man, he makes it look so easy. Effortless, I hate you. I just got off my friend's FZ09. Bike's pretty nice. New ropes. Yeah. Nice to see everybody out riding today. $20,000 points right there. So guys, I hope you enjoyed me on another bike yet again, and a little short but sweet ride with my friend Mr. FZ09 Tire Slayer. Go check him out, Tire Slayer 8 on Instagram. I got 10,000 points. 10,000 points. Pedestrians are 10,000 points.
Thank you. I'm in the woods. I don't think it'll fall, will it?